Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to speed up a video on iPhone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you want to find your App Store, tap on it, as we are going to download a tool called CapCut, okay? Or you can go ahead and use iMovie if it's available, or any other video editing software, okay? So just tap on install, wait for the process to finish, and then after that, we'll continue. All right, as you can see here, it's done. You can now go ahead and tap on open, wait for it to load, and just agree right here, allow, agree, then just skip, okay? And then the interface will look like this. Just go ahead over to edit. Now, new project at the top. Allow full access or limited access if you want to. I'm just gonna go ahead and allow full access and find the video that you wanted to speed up. For example, this one. Just going to tap on it, now tap on add, wait for it to load, and once it loads, just tap on the video itself, just like so. And in this section, at the very bottom, you have the speed option, okay? All you got to do is just tap on it, tap on normal, and then adjust the speed right here. It could be 5 times, 10 times, or 100, okay? Maybe just 10 right here, just like so. And then once done, tap on the check mark. Test it out if you want to. All right. And after that, you can now go ahead and maybe if you want to, you can delete the CapCut watermark just like so and export it. Okay. Wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and share it on these apps or tap on other right here. Scroll down a bit, tap on save video. And as you can see, it says save to device, hit on done, and you're good to go. You can now go ahead and check your gallery or photos. And here we have it. All right. And that is how you speed up video on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.